Fucking serious.
Where?
Right in front of
Where? Oh yeah. Awesome.
me. Yeah, buddy.
Someone's hid that there.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Probably, yeah. You might have run out of petrol.
Isn't it a tractor?
Which, that station
It's a
was
tractor.
back not that long ago. Yeah, definitely
What a
tractor.
fucking boss.
Are we at a spawn location?
Maybe. But look, it's like ran into a tree.
I'm getting in.
It's got. See, I don't have the
Hang on, it's got gear on it, let me have a look. Oh, it's got 3 Jerrys, MP5 SD, car wheel. That's one. Oh, it's got plenty of fuel.
Yeah. I don't
Awesome.
have the damage report and stuff either.
What, when you get in?
Yeah, driving.
Take
Like,
that
you know
bad
how-
boy for a spin.
You know how I've got all those inventory issues? Watch out, dude.
Whoa.
Oh, it's smoking.
Jump out there.
I just smashed the front windscreen, I think.
Do you want me to check it?
Yeah, because I don't have a fucking thing. What did I hit? Because I just drove straight.
Engine's red. Everything else is perfect. And it's
We
got
just need some engine
over
parts.
half a tank of fuel.
What about
How fast does it go? Oh yeah, that's Macca.
Oh shit.
How much is there for passengers?
Fuck. I think I killed it.
Oh,
Yep,
run,
boom, watch
run.
out.
I died.
For real?
Shit.
Dead or? Nah.
No,
I'm
you're
bleeding, hang on.
Yeah, here, just stay still.
He's just going underneath it.
Oh, I'm dying too.
Oh, Jesus.
No, I'm gonna be good. It blew up again.
I'm
okay.
bandaging my wounds, hold on.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
thanks.
Yeah.
You fuckwits.
You crawled underneath the tractor. I was trying to bandage you and it blew up again.
Yeah, I wasn't doing that. It just did it by itself.
Why the fuck did it blow up?
No idea.
Are you dragging me by my nuts?
It wouldn't let me out either.
Oh, you guys are mad cunts. I recorded all of that too.
Fuck.
You
We
got
found a
one-
tractor and it instantly exploded it.
What the fuck?
You know what that reminds me of? You know the episode of The Simpsons with Homer and the tractor?
No?
The tobacco one? You can't go
Yeah.
anywhere near the tractor without
It falls over.
pulls over on top of you. That's easy.
I need a transfusion badly.
Are you on the ground now?
Uh-huh.
Fuck just happened?
It exploded twice. Like the first time just smashed me. I tried to get up and run and it crawled backwards underneath it.
What's happening to me? What? Oh, the fire went out. That's all. All good.
Yeah. Yeah, I went blind too.
Oh,
Can you morphine me? Because I've a broken limb.
yeah, hold on. I can't
Fuck.
wait to fucking upload that.